Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable keyboard on laptop Windows 11. Need to temporarily disable your laptop keyboard on Windows 11? Whether it's for using an external keyboard, avoiding accidental key presses, or doing a repair, here's a quick way to do it. So first of all, press Windows plus X on your keyboard and select Device Manager from the menu. In the Device Manager window, look for Keyboards and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. You'll see your laptop's built-in keyboard listed, usually named something like Standard PS2 keyboard. Right-click on it and then click Disable Device. If you don't see that option, you may need to choose Uninstall Device instead. Don't worry, your keyboard will reinstall automatically when you restart your laptop, so it's not permanent. After you disable or uninstall it, your built-in keyboard will stop responding. Perfect for switching to a USB or Bluetooth keyboard. Important note, make sure you have already connected your external keyboard before disabling the built-in one, especially if your laptop doesn't have a touch screen, just in case. So that's it. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See each other in the next video.